wanted to show you my new lotion that I just randomly came across and I'm so happy I have. I will continue to purchase it over and over again. It's definitely by far my favorite lotion right now. I do have very dry skin, especially in the winter, and aging skin, and I feel like keeping it hydrated and moisturized is becoming more challenging, and I need like a better, higher quality product. This one is absolutely doing the trick for that. I use it on my arms, my neck, my like here, and then I do use it on my face sometimes, not always, but I will. It is really great. It like hydrates, it repairs. It's a serum as well as like a lotion, but it's like a nice size bottle, so you're getting like a ton in here, which I find, like really great that you get so much in here, but it's like really powerful comparative to like a more expensive product that you would use on your face. You're not getting as much, but you can use this on your face as well. I like the pump. You can see my skin. I don't know if you can see. It is pretty dry right now. So yeah, I use this every day, and it is by far now my favorite, and I will continue to use it. I've tested out a ton of different products. I'm always trying new things, and I love how this feels. Really happy I found it. I'm not even sure how I stumbled across it, but I'm definitely very happy and glad that I did. It doesn't have a smell. It's fragrance free, basically, paraben free. I love this. Definitely recommend it.